Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Friday. Today's Friday. We're getting ready for the weekend. Today is July 9th, 2021. It's episode 4 of 100 Days of Option Trades. Let's go ahead and check the news for today. Shrink that down, get Yahoo Finance going. Oh, yeah, so the markets are up. Pretty big rebound after yesterday. Almost, 3/4 of a percent here. One on the Dow. Nasdaq's up a little bit. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Looks like oil prices going up. Sweet, man. So yeah, today's gonna be a good Friday. Newegg's back up 17%. Couple losers. Don't really know any of these companies. Most active: Ford, AMC, Apple, Neo, Bank of America. So a lot of these stocks dipped yesterday, and now they're kind of rebounding, which is great to see. Absolutely great. But Etrade has not been working this morning. I kind of played around because I saw the market was up. I wanted to kind of see how my positions were doing. So Etrade's not. You can see it's just spinning the loading bar here. Here's some orders from yesterday. So I did place a new trade. I saw that Spice was up big yesterday. It was up like 50 or 30%. So I went ahead and I bought a put on it. I bought a $45 put. It was only 25 bucks for this, and I was like, oh, I'll see if it tanks overnight. I was expecting SPY to kind of go down a little bit, so I bought these two puts right here in hopes the market would go down. It didn't, but I also had this call, so to kind of protect my upside. So this put here, my stop loss of 65 cents did not work. The paper E-Trade did not. I don't know why. I canceled it this morning, but right here I had my stop loss at 65 cents. It did not work. Kind of seems like the stop losses in general on this paper trading platform may not work. They definitely work on the real E-Trade, but so far on paper trading, they don't seem to be working, which kind of sucks. So this stop loss didn't execute, and I actually had to see if it'll even show this. I don't even know if I have it. Yeah, so I exited out of my SPY. I'm pretty sure I sold this one for a loss here. I exit at like 0.03. So I lost $102. But this one here, we exited 7.35. But I made 200 here. I lost $7 on this one. I think I exited at 0.14. $11, something like that. So total between all these trades, I made $86 profit. Man, this one, I'm just bummed this was a loss because this should not have even gone through. Bum, bum, bum. So yeah, I had these were kind of risky trades here, but I wanted to take a gamble just to kind of see if I can make some money. We'll do manual exit, manual exit, manual exit. Stop losses not working in E-Trade. Manual exit. So I'm just filling that out. Sorry guys, I zoned out right there, focusing too much. But yeah, so I had these three trades from yesterday and profited $86. I profited 140 on this one on day one. This one is still open. This will probably be open for a while. I got another trade here. Actually, let's copy this. So Thursday I actually had 4 total trades. So this one we'll see what we're going to trade today. I really don't know what I want to trade. The SPY is going up big, so I might even just get a put on that. I'm going to buy a SPY put again. We're going to try it out. Let's go back. If it'll let us, that is. So the chart, see if this is even loading for today. It's loading. It's above the VWAP. Don't really know what that means, but yeah, so here's how it was. Then we had that big drop yesterday of like 1.5%. You know, I bought my call and we're almost back up to where we were, but you know, I think this could be a little fake out. So you see, look, you kind of had a boom, drop, went up, up. Let's see if we can find another one. Drop up, drop up, down, drop up, down. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm not a good pattern trader. I'm not a good pattern trader, but I'm going to go ahead and, if it'll let me, really want to buy a July 30th put. Man, doesn't look like it's going to work today, unfortunately. Let's just exit out of that. I'll try opening it back up. Okay. There we go. It might be working here. There we go. We're back up and running, baby. Let's go. Let's go. So now the SPY's at 434. Woo! That is hot. Let's go see. So you can see the calls are up in the 30 to 40% range. These are down. I really think we're gonna have a drop in the near term. Let's see if I can get a put for a decent price. Let's just do. We're up, you know, almost a full percent today. I'm gonna buy this one here for 400 bucks. Let's check the chart. Went up to 7 with the big drop. You know, I could maybe make 100 bucks on this, so I'm gonna buy it. 432 put. Let's buy one of these. Dude, that is awesome. The SPY's taking off, so let's do this. See if it goes through. Definitely should go through. Yep, position filled. So we got the 432 put. Let's put that on the trading sheet. Put 1 for, we get 407. Let's do a stop at 3. Target price is 6. We will see, sir. We will see. SPY, July 30th. And I got the, what did I get? 432 put? Yeah. Yeah, we'll try that. Maybe bought it a little early, but we're going to see what happens. Palantir call. Still just kind of staying right where it was. My year-to-date gain is showing $400. This is not accurate. It's not counting my losses in here, and I don't know why. But I don't know why, bro. Paper trading a little finicky, but it's free, so what does it matter there? So here's my account value, $162. That kind of lines up more with our made 175 profit right here, so that is more in line with it. Win percentage only 40% so far. 5 trades, average winner 169, average loser 52. So it's kind of the thing. If I have my risk reward at 2, so if I'm making more money on these trades, I don't actually have to win every single time. If I'm making triple what I'm making on my losers and winning at 40%, I could do that all month long and be fine with that. You know what I mean? What is this? Okay. When did I close this? So I bought this yesterday and I closed this today. I think I closed all of these today. Just leave this open. I really should be recording volume. Don't really feel like it though, so we'll do that later. We'll do that later. Let's go see if we can find anything else to trade. Let's just go to markets. Let's go check out watch lists. So JPM up big today, 3%. Facebook, wow. JD $80 call. So it's up 14% today. So JD is a Chinese company. Could have bought it on the low there. Wow, so just 9 days ago, this was at almost $9. You're buying it below. You know, this still wouldn't be a bad buy. This is going to be a trade that I would hold for a little bit longer as well. But let's go check the chart on JD. JD's up to $72, so the last 10 days. So here's the last 10 days of JD. It was up to 80. Had some bad news about China coming out. I want to wait to buy this because there's more news about China later today, supposedly. Damn, bro. Would have been nice to buy that. I'm going to set a limit order on this. What was that? The 2022? January 2022 call? So if I'm buying this for $5, the strike price of 80, that means the stock needs to get to $85 by expiration in January. It's a little risky. Whereas this one, it only needs to get to $83 by January. What do you guys think? Which one should I do? I'm going to take this out of the money one here. Got a little more volume on these. We're just going to buy one. Let's see if we can get it for 485 bucks. It'll probably be open for a while. Yeah, today's Friday. Markets are looking good. We made a little bit of money. I think I profited about 100 bucks today. 89. I'm happy with that. Say if you do $89 every single day, that'd be a lot of money for the whole year. Say if I did that over my 100 days times 89 bucks, be $8,900 gain. If I could keep that up, which hopefully we can. We'll see what happens. We'll see. But yeah, that's so I bought my SPY put. And that's about it. I don't know why it says I bought this for $0, but yeah, Etrade's being a little wonky today, so probably for the best to keep this kind of short, even though we're already at almost 15 minutes. So shrink me back up. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had a good Friday. Hope you have a good weekend. Be safe out there. I really don't look at stocks over the weekend too much because I do it in the week a lot. So I might check some crypto out, but yeah, that's today's lesson, and yeah, we'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you. Bye.